dirt bike. Oh, he's still going. Oh, yeah. The modern day fuckboy cowboy. Just our luck, we just got to the snake and we got a cop tailing us all the way down. Oh my God. Hold on, guys. Let me get a better angle of this cop here. Let's see that. Oh, yeah. Just don't cross the double yellows and you are good to go. We were about to do some skirt action around here, but the cops.
The slowest I've ever driven down this week and the most cautious.
Holy shit. Oh, he's still going. Oh my God, dude. That's pretty sketchy. Currently here at the Mulholland Snake. Some good old-fashioned fuckboy action here, guys. The rain's kind of stopped, but it is definitely a rainy weekend here. We got Alex's Audi SQ5. Here we go, guys. Mulholland Snake shenanigans. Oh my God, dude. Whoa. Easy there, boy. Currently here at a dirt Topanga. Is that what it's called?
I think we're gonna unload the XR and see what's going down.
Got a Tahoe stuck. Got a 4Runner that's stuck. I don't know about this Jeep Nation right here. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, shit. No. Oh, no. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Stratman, where are you at, son? That technique, though. Yes! That's a dirt bike! What? Dude, the guy's a fucking hero, dude. Jeez, man. He's sliding into him. It's a very precarious situation here, guys. This is not your usual vlog, guys. We're going... Oh, my God. Currently here on dirt Mulholland, Topanga, whatever this place is called. Got a lot of cars that are stuck here.
Oh, dude, he's so... Oh,
whoa.
Dude fell out.
Yes. What is... Just fucking doing donuts in the dirt. There you go. Oh, he almost fell.
Dude, what? Yo.
Oh,
yo.
Yo, no. Yeah, there's a Jeep. Yeah, he made it. Jeep Nation, dude. Oh, which mode? Dynamic? Okay.
Rear-wheel drive bias. Not responding. It's not responding.
Yeah, as long as we don't fall off the cliff, I'm good.
Imagine a Lamborghini up here.
You drove it up here?
Yeah, I drove it all the way.
Fuck, I didn't realize you drove it all the way up here. It's getting bumpy, guys. This is like the ultimate Stratman vlog right here. We got Range Rovers, we got Jeeps, we got SUVs, off-roading, mud. Man, this is a Stratman's wet dream right here. Look at this. Oh, fuck. Oh,
70 miles an hour.
Shit. Whoa. extra points for the puddle. Oh, yeah. Going hard. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we do here on the effspot channel. Everything from fuckboys, exotic cars, hypercars, supercars, and mud fucking around. We do it all on the effspot channel. Yes! You guys don't recognize the spot. This is where Alex Troy took his Huracan here and did a little, what I'm saying, a little, well, not really me, I'm just here as an observer, but here we go. 330 hybrid, fussing around in the mud. The SQ5 Audi, got Jeep Nation, all the other dudes just bounced over there with a dirt bike. Hell yeah. Get in that puddle, boy. Get it all done. Oh shit. Check out that picturesque Jeep Wrangler with the skies in the background. Oh. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. No. Closer with this. Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Brave soul indeed. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Here comes the big one. Hanging on for dear life. Begging for it. Plus 10 style points right there, ladies and gentlemen. The modern day fuckboy cowboy. Yes. The aftermath of messing around in the mud after a storm in Los Angeles. Oh yeah, better make sure you don't have the mud sitting around for too long. It's gonna cake in, it's gonna fuck things up big time. We learned our lesson, or at least Alex learned his lesson. Oh, look at that. Yummy. It's like a primordial ooze just dripping off the, oh, what the fuck? Boy. So what is the mud stuck?
The mud's on like half the wheel.
Oh, okay, that's what it is. So
we're gonna have to balance of the wheels.
Oh my god. Oh, dude, the vibrations on pretty intense right now. Don't worry, it's gonna get sorted out.